Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the G5A2 mobile phone. As you can see on the front of the package, we can see the phone itself through this clear plastic molded packaging. On the phone's display, we have some G5 multimedia mobile phone branding on the top, and on the bottom of the sticker, we have some warranty information. But we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. On the left hand side and on the bottom of the package, we have some more G5 branding. On the right hand side of the package, we have a sticker that has the model number, and we can see that we have the white and gray color variant. There's nothing on the top, and on the back of the package we have some of the phone's salient features: a 1.8 inch or 4.6 centimeter display. It has a dual SIM facility. It has a 5C battery. It also has digital camera. It has FM radio. It is compatible with MP3, MP4 and 3GP media formats. It also has support for expandable memory. It has an LED torch and it has a few games. That's about it on the outside of the packaging, so let's get into it now. In the box, we get the mobile phone itself, the battery that goes with the mobile phone, and the charger for the mobile phone. We'll start with the mobile phone. We'll be peeling off the sticker that is on top. On the front, we have a black and white design, but overall the phone has a black, white and gray color scheme going for it. On the front, we have the G5 branding and the A2 branding on the top, and right in the middle is the display. Underneath that, we have the menu or back buttons on the left and right hand side. In the middle, we have a circular D-pad, and in the middle of the circular D-pad, we have the main OK or select button. Underneath that, on either side, we have the call accept or call reject buttons. The call reject button can also be used to power on the device. Underneath that, we have an alphanumeric keyboard, and it also has Hindi alphabets on it. On the bottom, we have the micro USB charging slot and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. Next to it is a hole for the microphone. On the back, we have a grainy white texture. The speaker grill is on top, and right next to it is the camera module. On top is the LED light or torch. To get started, we will have to insert the battery, and there is a nice slot right here where you can shove your nail in to remove the back panel. On the inside, we can see the facility for 2 SIM cards right here at the bottom, and over here we have the slot for the memory card. Once the powering on process is done, we are greeted with the main screen. The menu option is on the left, and the names option or contact information is on the right. And since we don't have any SIM cards inserted, it tells us to insert SIM cards into either one of the 2 SIM trays. On the top right, we have the battery indicator. The D-pad can be used to navigate through the different menus. Next up, we have the charger for this phone, and as you can see, it is a standard 2-pronged Indian plug, and it has a micro USB interface on the other end. In terms of cable length, It is approximately 1.5 meters long. So this was the unboxing of the G5A2 mobile phone. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.